What's up, tobacco enjoyers? Got a little bit of shot-lift M1 in a cob on my way home from the grocery store. I see one of the gangs. Yep, it's getting cold out. Should be more smoking in the vehicle and less smoking outside. This car's coming. I'm trying to stop without getting people mad. Put my strobes on. There we go. And they'll go around then. Yeah, that's lunchtime. Look at them, whole bunch of them. Yep, I'm with you, cob people that are smoking cobs all month. But I'm just doing it coincidentally. But anyway, that's it. 1 PS.